Now we're going to begin to clean up the Excel data sheet in order to join that data with the ArcGIS shapefile. In order for data in Excel to join with ArcGIS, both tables need to have at least one column in common. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the Virginia layer and we're going to right-click there and open the attribute table. So now we can see all of the columns that are associated with this table. We can see city and county names, we can see the state name and the state FIPS code, we can see the county FIPS code, and we can start to see things like population that are added onto this map. We're not going to worry about those right now. What we want to do is we want to join our election data table either based on the county and city name or the county or city FIPS code, which is a unique code assigned to each locality. So we're going to go back to the Excel data sheet and we're going to see what is available here. And it looks like the thing that they're going to have in common is the county or city name. And so that's the column that we're going to be using to join with the shapefile today. However, we need to make sure that this column looks exactly like the column that is in ArcGIS shapefile, otherwise it's not going to join properly. So we're going to go back to ArcGIS and I'm going to look here at this name column. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to sort it ascending so it's in order. And I can see that this is in proper capitalization. I can see that there's no county or city associated with it unless the county and city have the same name. In that case, the city has city after it. So what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to start going through my Excel file and cleaning up the data so that this name column looks exactly the same as the Excel name column. So the first thing that I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to start getting rid of all of the county names in this column. And that's pretty simple to do. We're just going to do find and select and we're going to replace. And we're just going to find county and we are going to replace it with nothing. So we're going to find all and then we're going to replace all. And so we can see that all county names have been deleted, including this one, so we're just going to call this name. The next thing that we're going to want to do is we're going to want to find all instances of the word city, and we're going to want to replace that with nothing as well, except in the case of any county that also has the same name as a city, in which case we'll keep city. And so we're going to just go ahead and we're going to find the next one, we're going to replace it, and we're going to continue through this process until this find and replace has cleaned up that part of the data.